Hello, dear travelers. We are delighted to welcome you to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about vacationstogo.com, an excellent resource for finding and booking the perfect vacations. In the next couple of minutes, you'll learn why this site has already earned the trust of countless tourists and what opportunities it offers for an unforgettable holiday. Vacationstogo.com is a platform designed to make finding your ideal vacation as simple and convenient as possible. Whether you're planning a beach getaway, a touristic excursion, or an active holiday, you'll find a wide range of options to suit every taste and budget here. In this review, we will explore the available features on the site and show you how easy it is to find the right option for your next journey. The first thing you notice is the modern and intuitive design of the site. The homepage features a handy search bar where you can enter your desired destination, vacation dates, and the number of travelers. Thanks to flexible filters, you can quickly sort options by vacation type, resorts, hotels, and additional services. Another plus is the detailed tour descriptions, which include information about hotels, itineraries, events, and included services. You can view photos, read genuine traveler reviews, and compare prices to choose the best offer. This helps you make an informed decision, saving you the hassle during your vacation planning. One of the key strengths of vacationstogo.com is the availability of exclusive discounts and special offers that significantly reduce the cost of a vacation. The site is regularly updated with promotions, making it especially attractive to those looking for great deals. It's also worth noting the convenience of using the mobile version of the site. Whether you're at home or on the go, you can always quickly find the information you need and book your tour. Additionally, the customer support team is always ready to answer your questions and help you choose the best option based on your preferences. Overall, if you're looking for a reliable, user-friendly, and functional resource to plan your vacation, vacationstogo.com is an excellent choice. Its convenient search, detailed tour descriptions, and regular promotions make the site an indispensable assistant for every traveler.